There is light on the horizon for the 2022 National Population and Housing Census, which has entered the data processing and analysis phase, having recently completed the challenging enumeration phase of the census. Director of Statistics at the Central Statistics Office, Mathurin, indicated that his office is looking forward to the media launch of the preliminary census report by June 2024.
We anticipate or we're working towards bringing on board the consultant, international consultant that would assist with the data analysis and processing mid-February. The consultant will be engaged for a duration of 3 months. So bearing that in mind, we're working towards having the preliminary report for the census and the accompanying results sometime around May to June of this year.
Mathurin added that preparatory work has commenced with the Ministry of Agriculture to undertake an agricultural and fisheries census during this financial year. He, however, said that a small number of enumerators are still on the ground completing the enterprise census.
We anticipate that this data collection phase for the enterprise census will extend into March, and thereafter we will move to the phase of data analysis and processing for the enterprise census.
The Central Statistics Office will soon launch 2 strategic initiatives that will position the department to better serve the data needs of the public. The first is a national strategy for the development of statistics. This is an action plan for the development of statistics consistent with government's medium-term development strategy.
The other strategic initiative is that we have ongoing is the revision and strengthening of the existing Statistical Act. We have been collaborating with the Attorney General Chambers in that regard to strengthen our existing Statistical Act, and also we will be seeking the services of a consultant to review that act before it's presented to Parliament.
The Director of Statistics, in thanking the public, also appealed for their continued cooperation in the ongoing enterprise census and soon-to-be-launched agricultural and fisheries censuses.
Because this information is invaluable as it relates to the formulation of policies, and as it relates to decision making at the highest, and also at the business level. Students who also require this for the SBAs. So it's critical that the public collaborate with our enumerators to ensure that the data that we're requesting is provided.
Enumerators should present an ID card bearing the logo of the Central Statistics Office and the name of the enumerator. However, he said, if a respondent has any safety concerns about the authenticity of an enumerator, they can contact the office at telephone numbers 468-1577 or 452-4410. For the National Competitiveness and Productivity Council, Glenn Simon reporting.